Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have so many designer deals that I wanted to share with you. It used to be that the best time to shop was after the holidays, but Nordstrom just dropped a ton of luxury designer brands on sale, including Givenchy, Tom Ford, Valentino. And it's not just a luxury beauty sale. This includes ready-to-wear accessories, shoes, bags. There are so many great deals, and I wanted to share them with you before they sell out, because a lot of times these do sell out very fast. A lot of these options would make great luxury gifts for your family, your friends, or for yourself. And I was able to grab an incredible deal on a brand new luxury handbag, and I wanted to share it with you because this is the first luxury handbag I bought since this summer. I really haven't been buying new handbags, so I love that I was able to get it on sale from Nordstrom. This video is very generously sponsored by Nordstrom. I'm so excited to partner with Nordstrom. Nordstrom is one of my favorite places to shop for myself and my family throughout the year. They have tons of brands that I love at all different price points. I am a proud icon level member of their Nordy club. There are so many benefits and perks to being in the Nordy club, especially if you're an icon member. I have unlimited free alterations on anything I purchase at Nordstrom. They usually have events throughout the year, including their holiday party where you can bring your entire family. It's very kid friendly. I believe they have like Christmas cookie decorating for the kids. It's just such a nice way to reward the Nordy Club members. I also got an email recently that I can come in store to pick up my Nordstrom Icon holiday gift. So I'm very curious what that is. So once I go in store to pick it up, I will definitely share it with you. On top of all these perks, Nordstrom offers tons of promos. Right now, if you are a card member, you will earn 3 times the points until December 10. So if you are a debit or credit card member, you will earn 6 times the points. If you're an ambassador or icon card member like me, you will earn 9 times the points on all purchases. There are some restrictions. And even if you're not a card member, they have a beauty promo going on where you'll earn 5 times the points on all beauty purchases. All members will earn 5 times the points on beauty purchases. If you're a debit or credit card member, you will earn 10 times the points. And if you're ambassador or icon, you will earn 15 times the points on beauty. So right now is the perfect time to purchase beauty for your holiday gifting because you can earn up to 15 times the points. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description below. You can go ahead and click to shop, especially the designer sale items, because a lot of times they will go very fast. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram at A Heated Mess, because that's where I will first post all these sales, deals, steals, gifts with purchase, freebies, and then I will post to my YouTube community page, so follow me on both. Okay, before we get to the luxury, beauty, and designer sale stuff, I wanted to share some of my travel essentials because like many of you, I will be traveling for part of the holidays. So not only do I have to pack for myself and my kids, I also have to make sure that all the gifts I have beautifully gift wrapped for my family don't get messed up during transit. So whenever my family travels, especially if it's a road trip, I try not to pack as many hard-sided luggage because it's just easier to pack a soft-sided bag. I usually prefer soft-sided luggage, especially duffel bags, because it's easier to pack the car. My go-to duffel bag is the Longchamp expandable duffel bag because, first of all, it packs completely flat, like when you don't use it and you just want to keep it in storage. So if you're living in small quarters and you're tight on storage space, this is perfect like for city living because it doesn't take up a ton of space. You know, a lot of times with clamshell and hard-sided luggage, you just don't have room for it, or you're kind of nesting them into each other if you can, but you still have to store it somewhere. With the Longchamp bag, it folds completely flat and compact. When you unsnap the top, it opens up. You get a long shoulder strap. And if you don't have a lot to pack, you can just keep this zipped up closed. I usually even store it expanded. It's just easier. But it's just so much easier to pack all my stuff in packing cubes and then stack them inside this duffel bag and then just kind of throw it in the car. And speaking of packing cubes, Base Travel just launched new compression packing cubes. As soon as it launched, I immediately purchased it at Nordstrom. So I was able to redeem Nordstrom notes towards the purchase, and then I earned Nordstrom notes from the purchase. So I just ordered it. It hasn't arrived yet, but I will definitely share once it arrives. It is the Base compression set of 6 packing cubes. It comes in beige or black. These are perfect for travel because if you have especially really bulky like sweaters, once you have everything packed up, it has a set of double zippers so it can further compact it and it's not taking up space. It comes in black and beige. I bought the beige ones, and it's available in a set of 6 or 4. Base also just came out with the in-flight set of 2 cosmetic bags. The Base on-the-go essentials case has been my go-to like in-flight travel bag. I have my touch-up makeup on one side. It comes with a mirror. And then on the other side is where I keep like my toiletries, face mask, you know, all the kind of skincare essentials that you need when you are on the plane and you want to make sure your skin is not dehydrated. So this has been my go-to, and now they have this new set. It's a set of 2, also in beige or black. And I love that it comes with a mirror, and then it also comes with a larger little toiletry cosmetic case. And because it's see-through, this is TSA approved. Another travel essential, whether you are on a long road trip or a long flight, is a comfortable loungewear set. I love the matching loungewear sets from Aloe. Right now I'm wearing the Aloe Muse hoodie. It's this ribbed material. I already own this set in a different color that I got from the Nordstrom sale last year, and I saw that they just restocked it in black. I just like to wear black when I'm traveling. So once I saw it was available in black at Nordstrom, I just had to pick it up. This also has a very nice lightweight hoodie, so it doesn't bother you when you have the hoodie down, and then when you want to wear it, it completely covers your eyes, so you can just take a nap in peace and quiet and darkness. If you're interested in gifting luxury candy this year, I definitely recommend the Sugarfina Advent Calendar. I get this for my kids every single year. This is definitely their favorite Advent calendar. This year's theme is the Santa's Candy Shop. I did a full unboxing review tasting for you if you want to check that video out, but it's so cute. You have the Santa, you have Mrs. Claus. The candy in each box is individually wrapped, and then the back of the Advent calendar tells you everything that is contained in here. There is a huge Sugarfina sale going on right now at Nordstrom, so I have a feeling the Advent calendar might sell out because right now it's listed at an incredible 50% off. From $55, it's on sale for $27.50, but these do tend to sell out. If it's sold out, they have other options. There's like little bento boxes and other little Sugarfina candy gift sets, but I just love these because I love that this also has a variety of the gummy candy and chocolate candy. If you really want to make the most of this current beauty promo and really earn your maximum points and money back, now is definitely the time to pick up a Dyson hair styler. There are so many different options. Right now, my most used Dyson hair styler is the Dyson Air Straight Hair Straightener. I love this one because it has built-in hair dryer, so if I'm traveling, I don't have to pack a separate hair dryer. It doesn't damage my hair, and I usually wear my hair straight anyway, but you can style this in a way that it looks like you have a professional blowout. You can kind of flip the ends of your hair. It's so easy to use. It just has the most important functions. I always end with a long cold blast to make sure that my hair is nice and glossy. But I just use this one all the time. And if you purchase this during the beauty promo, you can earn up to 7,500 points, which is, I believe, the equivalent of $75. So you're basically earning money back when you purchase beauty. And if you're brand new to Dyson, I recommend starting off with the classic Air Wrap. This is the newer version, and as a luxury gift to my cousin, I'm gifting her my old Dyson that had the different attachments. The old version, you had to change out the barrels. It was very short. I had to buy the long hair attachment because I have very long hair, and then you had to change the barrel depending which direction you were curling your hair. But then I upgraded to this newer version, and I love this because you don't have to change out the barrel. It has this switch so you can toggle between the left and right directions depending, which way you're curling your hair. It's perfect. You don't have to switch out the barrel constantly. Since I upgraded to the new Dyson Airwrap, I gifted the old one to my cousin. And then some more beauty gift sets to take advantage of the current beauty promo. I've talked about this nonstop since I picked it up. This is the Estee Lauder Holiday Blockbuster set. This has such an incredible value because you get everything shown here. These are all full-size products, and it's a total value of $615 that you can buy for $85. It comes packaged in this very pretty red velvet train case with the star design, star zipper pull. You get the eyeshadow palette in this compartment here and mascara. And then inside you get all these products, including an eye makeup remover, cleanser, serum, moisturizer, hand cream, lipsticks, mascara, lip gloss. It is just such a great value. It's such a great gift set. You get a full mascara and eyeshadow palette. And for the eyeshadow, I thought I picked out the gold color, like neutral warm tone, but I accidentally got the cool tone. But I still really like this. I think this would go well with pretty much any complexion. And then Lancome has a similar holiday set. I have talked about this so much. I love this one because I prefer Lancome skincare. This comes with a very pretty gold case, and you get the full size Genifique serum, you get the eye cream, moisturizer, eye makeup remover, comforting toner, you get a full-size eyeshadow palette, lipstick, fragrance mini, and a mascara. This set also has a great value. All these products combined, the value is $588, but you can purchase this for $79. This is the gold case it comes with. The handle folds down flat. And here is the beautiful presentation. This would be such a nice gift to open up on Christmas morning. I forgot to mention that a lot of these brands have their own gift with purchase. So right now, Estee Lauder has a great promo where if you spend $85, you get a full-size Power Cream Moisturizer. And then if you spend $120, you get a whole bunch of stuff, a cosmetic bag, more deluxe samples of looks like skincare, makeup, maybe fragrance. The gifts with purchase are subject to availability. Sometimes they sell out, sometimes they change out. Right now, Dior Beauty also has a great gift with purchase. So if you spend $175, you'll get the lipstick, the holiday cracker, this holiday bag, and then the Dior ornament charm, which is similar to this, but the holiday version has like a holiday theme etched into the metal. One of my favorite items from the Dior Holiday Beauty Collection is their holiday eyeshadow palette. It comes in the same Dior holiday packaging. That's what the back looks like. It shows you what's inside. And inside you get this holiday eyeshadow palette in their new design. I've shown this before, but what I love about this is the case opens completely flat. You get 5 different eyeshadows, the eyeshadow applicator. But my favorite part about these holiday sets that I've shown on my channel before is the inside opens up. You can remove the insert and you can turn it into a little Dior card case. So this was a holiday eyeshadow palette from a few years ago, but again, it's the same design layout as the current eyeshadow palette. So all you have to do is remove the plastic insert and then you have an instant Dior card case for the price of their little mini eyeshadow palette. And then from YSL, this is great because it's actually on sale. The YSL Matte Lipstick Mascara and Lib Trio is on sale from $78 for only $66.30. You get the full-size mascara, you get a lipstick, and a mini fragrance. And it all comes packaged in this very cute YSL makeup bag in their holiday theme. And another very chic gifting option from YSL Beauty is their YSL Couture Color Clutch eyeshadow palette. So this is the YSL Couture Mini Clutch eyeshadow palette. It has a compact mirror and then it has 4 eyeshadow colors. And then they make a larger version of this. It's the YSL Couture Clutch eyeshadow palette instead of the mini clutch. It's similar to this from a previous collection, but you have the same quilting design, but in the black chevron quilting and then the gold YSL versus the silver and light pink. This is the layout of the eyeshadows inside, but the one they have available that is also on sale right now from $160, it's down to $136. It's more neutral, very wearable colors in the colors Desert Nude. This is from the summer collection, so it's more summery, spring colors. And then from Armani Beauty, I'll be gifting this year the Armani Lip Power Matte Duo. This is so cute. You get 2 full-size, very wearable matte lipsticks, and then this really cute little crossbody Armani pouch. Super cute little set. This has a value of $95, and you can get it for $69. And Armani has a great gift with purchase right now. If you spend $75 in Armani Beauty or fragrance, you get a whole sampler of their Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer, Power Long Lasting Matte Lipstick, Eye Tint Liquid Eyeshadow, and the My Way perfume, which is my favorite perfume from Armani is the My Way. I have every single flanker. This is another great Armani Beauty set, and it's currently on sale. This is the Armani Beauty 4-piece eye makeup holiday gift set. You get the 2 liquid eyeshadows, mascara, a lipstick, and this very cute Armani wristlet pouch. Now for the designer sales, as far as the ready-to-wear accessories, handbags, shoes, these sell out again so fast. I posted when I saw that they first were available and then they quickly go out of stock. Sometimes they'll be restocked in a different color, but especially with designer shoes, a lot of times it's, if you even find your size, there's literally just one available. So you really have to grab it when you see it available. But there are so many luxury sales going on right now. Just scrolling through, they have the Givenchy Logo Slim Fit cotton t-shirt. It's just a plain t-shirt, but if you're looking for just a plain t-shirt, especially a gift for a guy, it just says Givenchy on the front. You have a bunch of different colors. This is 40% off. It's on sale right now for $270. There are tons of shoes on sale. If you're a fan of Mock and Mock, especially their double bow, they have the Mock and Mock double bow pointed toe slingback pump, 40% off. It's the black slingback with the silver bow. I love their double bow shoes. I have a few of these. That one's on sale for 40% off from $985. It's down to $591. Just a few sizes available. And then for 60% off, they have the Mock and Mock double bow glitter pointed toe slingback pump. It's on sale, you guys, from $1,000. It's on sale for $400, 60% off. There's some Amina Muaddi shoes on sale. The Begum brooch pointed toe pump is on sale for 55% off from $1,200. It's down to $560. The Versace Medusa driving mule is on sale from $625. It's 40% off down to $375. It's in black, very subtle, very wearable. Again, not a lot of sizes. Another shirt for the guys, the Tom Ford cotton jersey crew neck shirt is $65 from $130. It's half off. They have a few different colors available. For kids, they have the cutest Burberry Kids hooded raincoat. It's 50% off from $650 down to $325. How cute, little kids in their little Burberry coat. Okay, I was shocked when I saw how many handbags they had on sale. But again, this was how I was able to get my bag on sale, which I will show you in a minute. But right now, there's a few Givenchy Antigonas on sale. So you have the mini Antigona leather satchel in a very cute pink. And this is the one that has the Givenchy logo on it. It's on sale 40% off. From $2,050, it's down to $1,230. Again, the small Antigona in black, which like never goes on sale in black, that's 40% off, down to $1,434. There's some Ferragamo, really nice Ferragamo bags. It's a bag that's on my wish list. I don't own any Ferragamo bags. But the DeBoss striped leather shoulder bag is on sale from $2,800 down to $1,680, 40% off. You guys, I have a Valentino bag on sale. The Valentino leopard print calf hair shoulder bag with the huge V logo in the front is 40% off. Another Ferragamo bag that's 40% off is this Studio soft leather top handle bag. This is so cool. If I were still working in an office, I would snatch this in a heartbeat as a huge work tote bag, but like a very stylish one. Tons of sunglasses on sale. They have the Bottega Veneta 52mm rectangular sunglasses. These are 30% off from $550 down to $385. I picked up, I believe, Tiffany & Company sunglasses and some Dior sunglasses. Dior sunglasses also go on sale. So again, I'll keep combing through the sales and link all my favorites for you guys in the description below. And with all those luxury sales, I have a brand new designer handbag that I wanted to share with you, and I can't believe that I was able to get this on sale. I posted when there was a bunch of Bottega bags on sale, and I was able to grab one on sale. And this is the first of its category. Right now in my collection, I only have one other Bottega bag, and it's a men's bag. It's a men's belt bag. I love it. It's like the woven style, but as a men's like sling belt bag. And so I've been wanting another bag. I saw when it came out and I just was like, oh my gosh, I love the color, I love the style, but I just didn't want to pay full price. And it went on sale and I was able to grab it. So this is from Bottega, the Bottega mini pouch. Look at this color. Oh my God. It is the coolest color. It's like mesmerizing. I don't know what the color name, it's just called iridescent, or maybe it's called purple. It goes with my iridescent nails. It looks like an oil slick. I love this color. They also had this in the cassette bag. I just love the pouch bag. So this is the mini. It opens up like a little hinge and it has the leather strap. So I can wear this as a crossbody. This unfortunately doesn't fit my phone, but that's okay. I love the style. It's just so cute. So cute. So unfortunately, this color is sold out. A lot of these like unique colors do go on sale if they don't sell out. It is available still on the Nordstrom website in just plain black. And then they also have like the woven material. I think the plain leather mini pouch leather clutch retails for $2,300. I got this on sale for $1,609 and I just love it. The leather is so soft and supple. You can feel it on the straps. You can feel it on the inside. This does have, you know, an iridescent coating. So it's not as soft as like a natural or Napa leather or whatever. It does, you know, feel a little slick, but you can tell that it's so well made. It's such a nice quality. The hinge is very like substantial. It's completely leather lined and it just feels so luxurious. I just love this. This is a statement bag. And I love that I have a pair of Christian Louboutin heels in this exact same coloring. I think it's called Oil Slick. I'm so excited. I finally have a women's Bottega bag that I got on sale. So again, this color did sell out and there were a few other Bottega bags in other kind of summery colors, but I will link similar bags. They do have the Bottega pouch in the mini, the small, and I guess medium in different colors. Nordstrom does carry the Bottega pouch on their website in a few different sizes and different colors. I will link all the different options for you below. I just love this color. Look at that. It's so eye-catching. I love this little bag. It's so cute and I got it on sale. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. There are so many luxury sales going on right now. Tons of luxury gifts with purchase. I hope I gave you some great gift ideas for your loved ones and for yourself this holiday. And I'm so glad I was able to grab a new Bottega bag on sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.